What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Behind You, and this game's still in beta. Nobody ever plays it, but I will be the first YouTuber to ever record on this. And I'm doing this solo because there's no players. I don't know why. Just join. Let's make this game popular. And I want to get this I want to get this beautiful thing. And let's get right into it. All right. So, I don't know why, but the monster sounds like really creepy. Like, really creepy. I just want to get a review of the monster. I just want to see what it looks like. Alright, I'm scared. Like, really scared. Oh no. How do you even escape this? Jeez, they need to fix this movement a bit. No offense. This movement is kind of wacky for me. No, I don't like this. What the freak? What's that? Alrighty. Where's this place? This looks like a safe zone. Oh, a key! A key! Hey, oh, what's wrong with the key? I don't like this. I do not like this at all. Alright, okay, where do I put this? No, forget. Let's put go play it with my controllers upside down, really. Go to play with my controllers upside down. Alright, no. No. No, 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 no. Can I even, like, I think I've just go like this the whole time. Alright, what is this? A bench? I just want to see the monster. I'm wondering what the monster looks like. I'm pretty sure he'll look pretty scary.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh my god. No. Nope, disable that. What? You fix this glitch, bro. Honestly, fix this glitch. This is gonna be a long time. It's gonna take a long time. Can you put it like on your back? Cause I would love that. Okay. Alright, honestly fix this glitch. You know, I'll beat it. Ugh, I can't do it! Honestly, bro, I can't. No, I can't. Oh, I guess I just hold it like this. Hell no. Why are those footsteps like actually loud? If I just see it, I'm just dead. Like, there's nothing I could possibly do with this glitchy key. Practically dead if he sees me. I think I'm going the right way. I did it. Did I? I did it! I did it! Okay, I did it. Alright. Nope. Alright, what am I supposed to do now? Alright, I think that's just it. Yeah, it's probably just like it. In the mirror, did I see something? I'm of the five senses opposite of sight. What am I? I don't know. What do you want me to do now? Did I just beat the game? Well, alright. Thanks for watching. Guess that's it. Add more levels and I'll definitely play them. Alright, bye guys. What the heck?